All right, y'all. So right now we got to check out that 1990 BMW M3. Okay, back in the day, way before my time. Still very clean, timeless design. Not my favorite, but I know a lot of people's favorite. It's cool. It's clean. Let's see a little more about it. Just the size alone of this car, from what I see, peak. I'm whipping that. Nice fitment. Yeah, that's timeless. That squared look. Nothing too fancy in the trunk, and it shouldn't be. I like that squared look. Tail lights, exhaust, the wing, perfect placement. Clean. I think this interior was ahead of its time, for sure. Nice place to be. Nice steering wheel. Oh, that's clean. Clean. Angle to the driver too. Crisp. Like the gauges. They said that got 120 on the dash. That's nice. I don't know about y'all, but I could always appreciate where we came from when it comes to tech, engineering. Like, you see how proud BMW was putting their name all over this engine, all over this car. They was proud of what they was doing at that moment in time. Nowadays, a lot of manufacturers ain't that proud, and the numbers reflect that. It's like everything was perfectly placed on this car. Like, there's nothing out of touch. There's nothing that looks like it shouldn't be there. Everything looked like it's perfect, right in place. Clean. by no cup holders, I'll tell you that. Nice little sunroof. Body color too. Underrated. Super visibility. You ain't missing nothing. And I like how you can hear the engine already in the interior, just idling. That was like a grinding noise. I hope not. That would be crazy. Nice sound though. You at least know you in a sports car at all times. I want to see him really hit it though. Get out of this traffic. Punch it. Yeah, he babing in this. I hope ain't nothing wrong with it. We did see it had like 120 on the dash. Let's see. Still a nice tone though. City driving. You could do that, rep through the gears, listen to the car, and just be happy with that. Small, nimble car, you can move around. I want to see these gears get hit though. Let's go. Let's get active. Yeah, it's popping. I don't think that's stock at all. Could be though. Who knows? Y'all get in the comments below. Let me know. Don't tell me he playing it safe. Come on, man. Some steering shape. It's moving a little too much. Punch it, bro. Oh nah. Oh nah. All right, yeah. So what that looked like is maybe uh the person who had it before him, maybe they didn't do all their maintenance, possibly. It's a very clean car, but it looks like he's afraid to push it and get on it. I know there's traffic, but he had opportunities to really push that car and he didn't. And then like looked like he messed up his shifts and he was trying to get comfortable with the gears. So maybe, who knows? Maybe that car is just not in the best condition, but it is very clean. I do like that style. I actually like it a little more than what I used to. I used to look back at it like, it's ugly, kind of dated. But once you really see it and appreciate what cars were doing back then and like the look of it, like I said, like they didn't look like anything was out of place. Everything was just right where it needed to be. So from that alone, I could definitely say I appreciate that Beamer. You know, I appreciate a lot of Beamers. You feel me? It is what it is. Is this my favorite? Absolutely not. But I get it. I get it. But y'all get in the comment sections below. Let me know. Do you get it? Is this something that you would get? Or would you pass on it?